Good morning, everyone, on this wonderful, bright, sunny Friday morning, 7:42 a.m. I'm heading about a 30-minute drive east of Shreveport over here. Well, east of where I am. I got a driveway to clean. Got this job from a yard sign from another job that I did about 2 weeks ago over in this same little subdivision. Left the yard sign out, and this lady saw it, took a snapshot of it, and called. Like I told y'all the other day, well, in my last video, that
in 2 miles, use the second from the right lane to take exit 11 for I-220 East.
95% of my jobs from yard signs. Yard signs and door tags. And then word of mouth, of course. This job over here is just a little small driveway that I'm going to do. Traffic's not too bad this morning on I-20 for 7:30 in the morning, 7:45 in the morning. Guess nobody's heading to work this morning. As you can tell, as you can see, traffic is not too bad. There's a look behind me. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. I got a merge up here, so I'll holler at you later. Welcome back, guys and gals, and the 9 of you that watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. Well, another one bites the dust. Just finished up that little small driveway and sidewalk with talking to the customer, rolling out everything, rolling up hoses. It took me right at an hour. I was really in not a big hurry at all. I've got an estimate to go give later on today on the other side of Shreveport, so it's closer to my house over there, which is fine. I'm going to try to go ahead and give them the correct price, a price we can both agree on, and hopefully get it knocked out, but we'll see. But please like, subscribe, comment. I will answer all comments. Just try not to be too nasty. There's a mosquito in here with me. I tried killing him on the way over here at 75 miles an hour, but it wasn't working too good. There's a popo right there, so I better quit talking. There he goes. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, guys.